In the quiet of a heavy night, when shadows dim the inner light, he feels the world grow cold and white, a lonely ache he cannot hide. But then a whisper soft and near, a gentle presence easing fear, a sense of warmth around his soul, a hint that he is not alone. The air grows still, the heart grows brave, as unseen hands begin to pave a pathway out of sorrow's hold, a place where hope can unfold. He lifts his eyes and starts to feel a truth that rises calm and real, that help has walked beside him long. A hidden chorus deep and strong. Though he once faced the darkened shade, he now can sense each guiding flame, spiritual forces soft and